Hello, good to see you again. You're watching the news on TVC and we absolutely appreciate it. I am Kelly Egiga. In Lagos, the murder of Oluwabamise Ayanwola, a BRT passenger, is still fresh in the minds of not just her family, but the Lagos State government. And a few days after her body was discovered, Lagos State Attorney General Moyosore Onigbanjo says the Ministry of Justice will prosecute anyone found to be linked with the murder of the 22-year-old who was killed while on transit in a bus. Mr. Onigbanjo, who is also the State's Commissioner of Justice, says police investigations are almost over and the case file will soon be forwarded to the Ministry of Justice for legal advice.
MD of the company, the bus concessionaire, who actually went to report the matter to the Directorate of Security Services, and it was through their assistance in conjunction with the police tracking the phone number of that driver who eloped that they were able to apprehend him. So right now the police are interviewing him. They are also looking at whether there were other people involved. When the case file is sent to the Ministry of Justice, I also assure members of the public that anybody who is indicted by that case file will be prosecuted.
Well, let's stay with security stories. And in Kebbi State, where several security officers attached to the Deputy Governor's convoy have lost their lives after terrorists attacked them along Kanya village in Danko Wasagu local government area of that state. The terrorists were said to have also suffered a heavy casualty in the gun battle. Confirming the report to TVC News, the special advisor to the Kebbi State Governor on Security Matters, Rabiu Kamba, said the Deputy Governor had been visiting areas affected by banditry in the state when his convoy ran into a large number of gunmen robbing shops and rustling cattle in Kanya community and the surrounding villages. A gun battle erupted when the military officers traveling with the Deputy Governor intervened. Meanwhile, the Deputy Governor suffered no injuries in the encounter. Now going forward in Lagos, sex offenders will have their names and pictures published by the state government. Now, this move by the Lagos state government is aimed at containing the increasing rate of domestic and sexual violence in Lagos. And that's according to the Executive Secretary of the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Titilola Adeni, during a press conference at the agency's office. The details, according to the Executive Secretary, include the nature of the offense as well as the duration of the sentence handed down by the court. Mrs. Adeni noted that this was in line with the provisions of the Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency law. She also said letters of adversary have been issued to local governments and traditional rulers of the communities where the convicts previously presided. That does it for us here on the News Update. I am Kelly